In today's video, I'm going to teach you Notion Mail, how to get to inbox zero, 5 minutes. Let's jump right in. Start by opening Notion and signing in the way you normally do. If you work across multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the one where you use Notion Mail so everything you organize ends up in the right place. Next, head to Notion Mail. You can get there from the app switcher or sidebar depending on your layout. Once you're in, you'll see your inbox with messages listed by sender and subject. Take a breath here and scan the list to spot patterns. Newsletters, updates, and messages that clearly need action. Now select messages, click the checkbox beside each email you want to process. You can select several at once to save time, especially for similar messages. If you're working through a big backlog, it's perfectly fine to do this in small batches. The key is to keep your cursor moving and avoid getting stuck reading every message in full unless it's truly necessary. With those messages selected, assign labels. Click on the label option and choose the tag that matches what the emails are about, things like billing, updates, or follow-ups. Labels turn your inbox into an organized system you can trust. Make your labels meaningful and consistent so future you can find things instantly. If you're unsure which label to use, pick the best fit and keep going. Speed matters here. Once labeled, archive them. Click Archive to move these messages out of your inbox. Archiving doesn't delete anything, it simply clears your view while keeping messages searchable and retrievable. This is your best friend for newsletters, receipts, or anything you might want later but don't need to see right now. For messages that truly have no value, click the trash bin to delete. Be intentional with this, delete obvious spam and duplicates, and archive the rest. If you're on the fence, archive instead of deleting. You can always come back to it, and that's how you hit zero. A clean inbox isn't about reading everything, it's about deciding quickly. Log in, open Notion Mail, select Label, Archive, and delete what doesn't matter. Repeat this flow regularly, and you'll keep your inbox clear in just a few minutes. Consider doing a quick pass each morning or at the end of your day, and your future triage sessions will be even faster. You've got this. Keep your labels simple, archive confidently, and enjoy that satisfying clutter free inbox.